Hi there, let me tell you a story about the moment that changed my life dramatically. I received a mail, a special mail. I opened it, and... Wait, what? Woohoo! And that letter changed everything. I packed my stuff and bought a flight ticket, headed 27 hours of flights and arrived to New York, and then to Ouachita.
Et 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And I got so impressed by this place because everyone is so friendly. Everyone supports you, and they really do care about you. And this is why Ouachita is so special, because of people around you. This is a community which accepts you forever, and whatever you will do in your life, how far you will travel, this place, these people will always be with you.
Plus vieille, quand t'es là? 76.